everyone, welcome to Kins Talk, episode 3. Today I have my brother Hunter with me. Say hi. And he's really excited because today we're going to do a segment called What Am I Eating? So what I'm basically going to do is blindfold him and then feed him a bunch of food, make him guess what it is. And if it's right, I'll obviously say it's right. And in 3 tries, if you can't get it in 3 tries, then I'll just tell him what it is. So let's get started. First, I'm going to blindfold him.
America.
With his patriotic, since the 4th of July
It's actually the first.
Is Wednesday. Okay. My mom has a plate of food in here. So, we have a series of things in here. So, we're going to start with this.
Oh, God.
Okay. So, Hunter, open your mouth. What is it?
That's a grape.
A grape? Good job. High five. God, you were blindfolded. Okay, the next thing is this. So, take a bite.
That's a graham cracker.
Mm-hmm. Good job. I'm proud. Here's this.
Oh, give me a second.
I'll let you chew.
Alright, here we go.
Can you guess what that is, sir?
Peanut butter.
Do you like it? It's his favorite food on the earth. Are you good?
Oh, I love it.
Okay. The next one
I
is...
love great peanut butter.
Open wide. What's this? What is
what
that?
Is this tuna?
Yes, it's tuna. Did you? All right. Here's this. We're gonna chase.
It's a Sturzing.
All right. Good guess. Good job. I'm doing terrible. I thought I was gonna really get him. How about this?
It's marshmallow.
Yeah, it is.
It's a Sturzing.
All right. Good guess. Good job. I'm doing terrible. I thought I was gonna really get him. How about this?
It's marshmallow.
Yeah, it is. Dang it. Okay, how about this? Oh, he's not done. Sorry.
Alright, here we go. It's a peanut. It's quite obvious.
All right. What about these 2 things? Wait, I'll let you chew first.
Right. Is that Reese's Puffs?
Yes. Why is that funny? All right. Here's 2 items. You already know.
Shove them down my throat. Pretzel sticks.
Yes. You have 1 more, and you're good. You already know because you heard it break. You're gonna need some water after this.
Nutter Butter Wafer.
Okay, so that was a 10 out of 10. You did great. You can take your blindfold off now, since you got all of them right. I am sorry to put you through that torture, but thank you guys for watching again. And make sure to tune in again at Kins Talk. And have a great night, and...
Or day.
Bye.